7. Today we will be discussing on construction of parabola. Let us start. Parabola. What is parabola? Parabola is a conic section. When you cut a cone at different angles, we are going to get different size shapes. So parabola is one of the section from a cone. So let us solve a simple problem on construct parabola in a rectangle of size 120 mm into 80 mm, or inscribe parabola in a rectangle of size 120 mm into 80 mm. They will be giving you a rectangle. Inside this rectangle, we have to inscribe this parabola. Let us see how we are going to inscribe this parabola in a rectangle of size 120 mm into 80 mm.
I got supplies.
First, construct a rectangle of size 120 mm into 80 mm. This is 120, that is a 12 centimeter into 80 mm. This is 80. This is 120 into 80. Call this as P, Q, R, S. Okay, P, Q, R, S is a rectangle. What is the size of this rectangle? 120 mm into 80 mm. Let this dimension line, let it be thin. You have to take 1 centimeter from here. Let this be thin. This is 120 mm. And this dimension is 80 mm. Okay, this is the first step. What is the first step? Construct a rectangle PQRS of side 120 mm into 80 mm. Then divide SR into 4 parts, 4 equal parts, or divide PS also into 4 equal parts. How to divide PS into 4 equal parts? Draw a line of any length. Okay, draw a line of any length. Now divide this line into 4 parts. I am going to take it as 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Call this as 1, 2, 3, 4. Then join P4. So what you have to do? You have to divide this line into 4 equal parts. Then join P4. In the previous class I have told you how to divide a line into 4 parts, a number of parts. Join P4, and for this P4 draw line parallel to P4 from 3, from 2, from 1. Call this as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Right? Similarly, you have to do it for QR also. Draw a line, let it be of any length. Take 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter.
I got supplies.
2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. All this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Join 4Q and draw a line parallel to 4Q. From 3, from 2, from 1. Let this be 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Like this, divide this QR into 4 parts. Divide this QR. Since it is 80 mm, you can take 20-20, but if sometimes if they give you 70, you have to adopt this procedure. Then divide this SR also into 2 parts. First, take the middle one. Draw the vertical axis. Call this as V, O. This is center axis. This is the center axis of this rectangle. So draw VO. How to take VO? Center line of this 120, 60 mm, 60 mm. Draw the center line. Now divide SO also into 4 parts. OS into 4 parts. So draw any line like this. Take 1.5 mm, 3, 4.5, 6. Equal parts. 15, 15 I have taken. Then join. Call this as a 1, 2, 3, 4. Join 4O. Draw line parallel to this 4O. 1O. Now we have divided this into 2, 3, 4 parts. Call this as a 3 dash, 2 dash, 1 dash. Okay. Similarly, OR also you have to do it the same way. But since you know this already, you have divided this, no need of dividing this once again. Take this distance, whatever distance you got here, take the distance and mark here. 2, 3, 4. 4 parts, you can mark it. Already you know this distance, right? Same distance you take here and you can mark here. Call this as 3 dash, 2 dash, 1 dash. Understood? You have to divide this line into 4 parts. You have to divide this line into 4 parts. Draw center line and then divide this into 4 parts. Divide this OR also into 4 parts. OS into 4 parts, OR into 4 parts. After dividing this, then from 3 dash draw vertical lines. From 2 dash draw vertical lines. From 1 dash draw vertical line. Similarly, from 3 dash draw vertical line. From 2 dash draw vertical line. From 1 dash draw vertical line. Understood? So we have drawn vertical lines from 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Then what you have to do after drawing this vertical line? ಈ vertical lines ನೆಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ join V to 3 dash. Join V to 2 dash. All this line should be thin. Okay, your parabola should be dark. Join V to 1 dash. Similarly, join V to 3 dash, V3 dash, V2 dash, V1 dash. ನೋಡಿ V1 dash, V2 dash, V3 dash, V3 dash, V2 dash, V1 dash ಇದರ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ 3 dash, V3 dash, 3 dash ಲೈನ್, V3 dash ಲೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Call this as P3. 2 dash line, V2 dash line, they have intersected here. Call this as P2. 1 dash line, V1 dash line, they are intersecting here. Call this as P1. Similarly, this side, 3 dash line, V3 dash line, we intersecting here. Call this as P3. P2 dash line and V2 dash line, they are intersecting here. Call this as P2. 1 dash line and V1 dash line, they are intersecting here. Call this as P1. After naming all this, join the line by a smooth curve. Join all the points by means of a smooth curve. First, what we are going to do, we are going to put a dotted lines like this. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಕರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜಾಯಿನ್ ದಿಸ್ by means of a smooth curve. First draw dotted lines.
I got supplies.
And then make this dark. ನೋಡಿ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ